Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or self-confidence. Well said by Robert Frost. With this aim, I landed in this beautiful country, Ireland.
Hello, this is Arab Bose from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, India. I am pursuing my Masters in Project Management from the University of Limerick. This video is to answer some of your questions on accommodation, university lifestyle, and the normal lifestyle over here in Limerick. So let's begin.
This is Groody Village on-campus accommodation. Next is Troy Village on-campus accommodation. Next is Student Courtyard on-campus accommodation. Curragh where you can get off-campus accommodation. This is a bit difficult to book from India, but it's possible. Asian cuisine are available here. Flagpole at the entrance of the University of Limerick. This is a beautiful University of Limerick. One of the biggest library in the entire Europe we have in the University of Limerick. Yes, it has huge collection of books. One bright sunny day before COVID-19. This foundation building that connects beautifully from the main building. This is University Concert Hall, and we were welcomed by this. The CSS building, Cami Business School, where most of the management courses run over here. This is Moodle, and this is new logo of University of Limerick. In this module section, all the subjects that are listed for this course is being provided here. If I look into any of the subject, so this is how usually it works. The lecturer has provided all the material that is required for the completion of the course. It is our responsibility to go through it, whatever lectures have been taught in the class. Thing that need to be considered over here is for the assignment, plagiarism count matters, and it is very important. The entire report goes through Turnitin. It shows the exact content from where we have taken the material. So the entire writing format should be in academic writing format, which will be a new learning for us, and it's interesting. Looking into the aspect of COVID-19, when we enter into the virtual world, learning didn't stop. Here you can see the big blue button that is being provided by the university. Here we conducted successfully online classes. Lectures have clarified our doubt, and all the session being provided successfully to us. This has helped a lot in completing the entire course. Apart from the education facility, even government has taken some initiative. You can see here in the welfare department, COVID-19 services. This has helped students who were working part-time and they lost their job. So financially, government has provided help on weekly basis. That has helped for day-to-day survival. That is an immense support that Irish government has done for all of us. This is one of the beautiful Plassey House within campus. This Cassandra Physiotherapy Clinic right outside the campus. Ireland is indeed very beautiful and very peaceful country. This is one of the clip from Killaloe, which is 20 to 25 minutes drive from Limerick. So in terms of enjoyment, we do have all the occasions to celebrate: Christmas, Halloween, Diwali, and New Year Eve.
We wish you all a very, very enjoyable New Year
In this COVID, we got home delivery. All supports that can be provided, we got it. So everything is positive over here. Don't let this virus kill your dream. Dream big, dream high.